I'm fine. If it is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. And to my OGs, I give you that. So guys, today we are at it again. I'm revealing some wigs from SHEIN. By the way, this video is sponsored by SHEIN. SHEIN, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. You guys know I always review their synthetic wig, and SHEIN synthetic wig, they are bomb. They look like human hair. Believe me, you can tongue them, you can straight them, you can wash them, you can do whatever you want to do. The way you take care of human hair, you can take care of them like that. Gorgeous, please, if you like it here, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? Hey, thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate. So without wasting much of your time, let's dash into this video. They are here. You guys know summer is here. I picked some beautiful colors. The link to them will be on the description, so don't hesitate to check them out. Okay, it is from SHEIN. I'm going to put everything, all details you need to know about all this week on the description. So if you like them, dash to the description box. All informations will be there. All right, guys, let me bring them out. Yes, there are some things that came with it. You see this? What is this? Anyway, that aside, and the wig cap came with it also, and some tattoo. If you love tattoo, all this fake tattoo just for fun, these are for you. Okay, so the wig is 24 inches, and this is what you get. Look at this, guys. Just look at that coils. Oh my gosh, can you guys see this? Let me stand up. Let me stand up to show you guys. Look at this, and look at the lace. Let me remove the net from it. So it came center part. The texture is so soft, very soft. And this is the installation. This is the construction of the inside. Okay, came with some combs, inbuilt adjustable strap. Okay, those are the things that came with it, and this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this. Ha! Lovely. This one is black, and this one is how many inches? It's 20 inches. It's written here. Wow! Look at this, guys. It's just like the other one anyway, the inside, and the lace is tint. Okay, it came bleached for you. All right, guys, you can see. Let me remove the paper from it. Okay, this is it. Look at it on my hand. You can see this, and the texture is very, 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 very soft. So guys, this is the last one. This one is 12 inches. Look at it. Oh, this is lovely. So guys, let's try them on. Okay, let's try them on and see how they are going to look on us. So I'm going to wear it now. But I'm not really a fan of the color, but it's fine, it's beautiful, we can rock it. Okay, so I'm going to try this one on. When I go with confidence, when I go to roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go. I'm going to cut it very close to the hairline, because we are not gluing this down. If you want to create C part, if you want to create corner parts, you can as well. So guys, I'm just going to use a bronzer on this that we are seeing. Okay, just to darken it, to blend it with my skin. That's the only thing you should do. Just blend that. So guys, that is it. Oh, this is lovely. I like it. Just look at this. I really love this hair. See, it's glueless. Glueless. Okay. Ooh, I love this. Yeah, look at it. Just look at that. So let me try the last one on for you guys to see.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like it now.
So I decided to put the part by the side a little bit low.
I've been doing my best, taking a moment to.
So guys, that is it for this wig review from SHEIN. To be frank with you guys, I love them. I love them. These are life-saving. In short, if you're interested, all links will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check it out. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
Put that